This building is off limits.
Why the hell is it? It's a supermarket, and I need some beer.
I killed a guy. Are we ready?
Yes, send the Pilot 1 and Pilot 2 into the plane.
Wow, they've actually made a plane that pilots itself. Let me check something. Nothing in the way. I guess we can fly. You check. Okay. Now to aim the plane in that direction.
Let me check. I guess we're good. Now for the aim. The aim now is good. I didn't really change it. Now the flight.
Will they start the plane good, or will they die? Find out on part 2.